children, as we are using our two basic rights, human rights, as we are using like right to freedom of speech and as well as right to gather. So as we are using to our rights, my main topic. Let me come to my topic, which is human rights. Human rights are the rights which we are inherited from inherited as being a human, as they are the basic right. It doesn't matter which caste, which religion you belong. It's the right which came to you as you are a human. So there are many rights like right to education, right to equality, right to freedom of speech, right to share information, right to private information, right to give your right to speech, which I am using right now. So it's all about your rights, right to equality, which gives which makes you equal before the law. It makes right basically human rights are helpful for us as it helps us to be recognized in front of the law. And if you are if you are living in a nation, it helps you to be form a oneness in before the law for a job and everything you are applied because of the human rights. It makes a life easier. So human rights are divided into political and civil and as well as social rights. You civil and political rights are basically the rights which are made so that the politician or a representative of representative of a specific caste or religion cannot affect the other's feeling in case of a rally. Like if we have heard about the rallies which are going and which helps the other person, which cannot hurt the other group of people sentiment. So we can act like recently we came across a vehicle caution and Katrina Kaif getting married, and due to which the road was purely blocked to the getting married due to the which lead into a hearing, and a lawsuit was filed on him because the road was blocked, which violates the right of movement for the other people, and which also is violation of a human right. So violation can be done by a politician, by a representative of a government, by a government worker, but it doesn't matter because if you are living in a nation, you are having some human rights which on violation. You will be able to file a complaint, proper complaint against them, and it doesn't matter because you are same before the law, which gives you right, which we include right to equality. And at last, I would like to conclude: human rights are made to make our life more easier, so that it can help us to live, prosper as a country, and being as a one along all the people. Thank you.